What's up, my plant people? Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. I am the ADHD gardener, where I use all things gardening, houseplants, and humor as a form of therapy. And I'm here with another unboxing. I love my unboxing because it's like a surprise in every box. And that's what I enjoy the most. So let's get it to it. So I got Bloominbin box today, and they have a subscription service where you can order every month. They will send you a box. Now they have different price levels of what you would want to order. They have, and starting off, I think it was like $20, and they're going as high as a $60 box. But what I got was right in between. Now this is my first time opening up one of these bad boys, and I want to know what they send you. Ooh, isn't this cool? It's a gift. You've been gifted Bloominbin's premium bin. We hope you enjoy your present. I hope so too. This is cool. Each month you will receive a box to get you started. Just add soil, water, and sun. Cool, right? I like this. I'm always saying cool, right? But I think it's a cool idea. You know, especially if you're a plant person and you like to see surprises in your mailbox. I do. So what they got you, so aside from the card, they give you your purchase order, which is obvious. Now I ordered two things. I ordered separately some sunflower seeds, but I also ordered the box. Cool, I'm super excited. They gave, now this is awesome because it's a seed tray. Now I know it sounds basic and all, but you know what? If you're ordering a box such as this, where they come with seeds, then you're gonna need a seed tray. Then most of the time, seed trays are temporary because they're just starting. Your seeds are just starting. So you need somewhere to let them grow, you know, to get a good head start. And this is the way to do it. And what they did is they gave you fertilizer sticks. And of course my seeds are right here. They are super small, yo, super small. So be careful you don't lose them, because that would suck a lot. You know, this ain't cheap, so you don't want to lose these seeds. This is cool. I like this little concept. I like this concept of having everything brought into your house. This comes with, of course, not only the tray, but it comes with a lid on it, so you can keep the humidity. Yeah, so you can keep the humidity inside, because that's what's going to help the seeds grow. So I appreciate that they give you a tray and the top, the cover. It's a pretty good idea. Ooh! Okay, so not only did we get the containers to hold it, now we got the seeds and we got the fertilizer sticks. Another paper. I really appreciate them giving you care instructions and seed instructions on how to start growing these particular seeds that they sent you, which I think is an awesome idea. You know, like they give you grow instructions, and I can appreciate the color. Thank you. But what we got here right now, so, you know, we got a little bit of everything. We're getting to the meat and potatoes of the box, okay? I'm gonna set this aside. Interesting. Oh, I like this. They give me in the box. Oh, let me put that box away. Better Homes and Gardens, Indoor Gardening. Wow, I like this book. It's not a book, but it's not a magazine. It's a paperback book. That's what I was looking for. This is really cool, man. Indoor gardening, all about it. This is a $20 value right here for the United States. So I kind of like this. This is really nice. I'm definitely gonna have to go through this. Isn't that, I keep saying I appreciate it, but I really like this. Give you extra reading. Now, I don't know if this would come with a basic box. I know this is what came with my premium box, but let's see what it says on here. Yes, this is the premium item. So I'm assuming that this is what you're gonna get with the premium box. Now you're not gonna get this with the basic box. I don't think you're gonna get it. But I really like this. This has a $20 value in itself, the paperback book. So if you're gonna get a basic box, that was $20, but that does not include this. But if you get the premium box, which is $30, like $10 more, then you're probably gonna get this paperback, which has a $20 value in itself. So I'm feeling this. Now let's see what's up with this. I probably should have cut it because this is all taped up. Oh wow, hold on. Okay, all right. Oh, I got dirt dropping everywhere now. Isn't this cute? You know, to be honest, I really gotta re-up and look at my Bloominbin and what really comes with this, because I knew it wasn't gonna come with an actual plant. I mean, not saying that succulents aren't a plant, because they are. But you know what I mean, like a foliage, larger plant. But then again, I don't remember what I bought. So, hey. But I think it's cute. This is cute. I like it. You know what? See, I don't think that I'd be as impressed if it didn't come with the seeds, the container, to grow it, the fertilizer, and the book. You know what I mean? Because not that I don't mind this, but it's just kind of like uneventful. I don't want to say uneventful completely, but they did give me a nice one though. I'm not gonna front. They didn't give me like a basic succulent. So this is cute. This right here. Oh, surprise, surprise. See, this is what I get. I'm over here. I mean, I wasn't talking smack, but I was like, okay. I wasn't like, oh my gosh, but I wasn't like disappointed. But they made it up because this is so cute. Oh, this is a candle. Is this a candle? It is cute though. A cute little succulent candle. I like that. That's cute. I gotta find somewhere to put it though, but it's cute. I like it. What comes in your premium flower bin? You get the seeds, you get a succulent, you get the fertilizer spikes, you get the grow trays with the lids. And bonus is that cute little tea light succulent. That is cute. And the magazine, not magazine, paperback book. Okay, so you don't get the soil. No big. I'm not worried about it because obviously I have soil. So just be prepared to have your own soil to start these seeds. But I mean, that's it though. Like, you have a great resource guide right here. You have the trays with the lids, with the seeds and the fertilizer. So it's not a bad deal. It really isn't. And you get a cute little succulent. It's not even little though, but it's nice. I think it's nice. So I gotta say, I'm impressed. I like it. I'm feeling it. I will keep the subscription and see what they bring me next month. What kind of seeds will I get next month? I don't really know, but I know that I'm gonna pot these up later on and I can start growing them, and then maybe I'll do a video on as to when they grow up and see what they look like. For what I got, I'm okay with it. I'm happy with it. I mean, would I buy this again or would I keep the subscription going? Yeah, I would. Only because I'm intrigued as to what kind of seeds they'll bring me next month. And I think that's what I gravitated towards when I looked at this subscription box. So will I keep the subscription? Chances are. I gotta say, I'm feeling this one. So this is a cute subscription box. I'm not gonna front. This is cute. I'm not disappointed. I'm not like, oh my God, but it was cute. You know what? I think the little topper was the cute little tea light, little succulent one. It was adorable. I think it's so cute, but hey. I wanna thank you guys for chilling with me as I unbox this Bloominbin. I had a good time. I enjoyed this unboxing right here. And if you enjoyed this too, hit that like button. I really appreciate all of you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I drop a video every week on all things houseplants and gardening. But don't forget to hit me up and catch me on Facebook. I am on there every day, and that is where my sense of humor comes in. I am all about funniness, funny memes, funny anything. I just love to laugh. And that is where I get to express myself fully. And that's be on Facebook. Oh, and I'm on Instagram too. Don't forget that one also. Thanks for chilling with us. Don't forget, subscribe, like, notification bell, and catch me on Facebook. I'll see y'all next week.